Power. Oh, okay. Second set sa Underbone Open guys. We have Bonbon Caban, Bornoy de Boma, S-Boy from South Cotabato, Clark AJ, Maderable from South Cotabato, Makoy Giganto, Ivan Alamis, Kenneth Vicenteno from South Cotabato guys. Bumbahan niya na eh. Dire sa Tulunan, North Cotabato guys. Okay, second set ni guys, Underbone Open. Woo! Grabe! Wala si Vicenteno na kadalagan guys, guba ang motor. Hugat the whole shot. Uy, si Debuma ba na eh? Power, power. Power, oh, okay, down. Okay, AJ Clark. Second spot. S-Boy, third spot. Ivan Alamis, down. Si Caban to? Sino man? Okay, amogya po na. Uy, patay ang motor. Iyay ka, patay ang motor ni Caban guys. First spot na, Maderable. Second spot, S-Boy. Third spot, si Di Boma. Ivan Alamis. Motor niya napatay. Si Caban, ang motor niya napatay. Maderable na ang kapanguna guys. Uy, nagandar. Lagas ang idol. Okay, Maderable. Followed by S-Boy. Followed by De Boma. Followed by Giganto. Lagas ang idol. Grabe. AJ Maderable, first spot. Second spot, S-Boy. Third spot, Giganto versus De Boma. Power, lagas ang idol. Na-overshoot na bisag ina. Grabe. Maderable kapag kapanguna guys. Followed by S-Boy. Followed by Giganto. De Boma. Uy, patay ang motor ni Giganto guys. Uy, patay ang motor ni Giganto. Gindragalan sa mga tropa niya. Maderable kapag kapanguna. Followed by S-Boy. Followed by Giganto. Ay, Di Boma. Oh, nalagas pa. Nalagas pa. Okay, Maderable ka po guys. First hit pa lang siya, first hit. Okay, final lap. S-Boy, second spot. Third spot. De Boma, third spot. Caban, kapalagas si Caban. Final lap na. Okay. Silip na. Maderable. Second spot, S-Boy. Third spot, uy, nakalagas pa si Caban. Guys. De Boma, fourth spot. Nice one, nice game.